Education is such a wonderful process. It is all about sharing knowledge, skills, and values from one generation to another. Whether it is in society, in the family, or in the community. We know that education is more art than science. Why? Because it is not only a matter of the mind, but especially of the heart. We have been educated, and we are educating others. Both are important. We want to give thanks for those who have brought us up, or are bringing us up to maturity, responsibility, fuller humanity, and faith.